go into it. What you're going to see is a VG buy or sell. Buy is for up, sell is for down. You're going to see some colors as well too. Gold, green, red, and purple. These are the strength. Green and red are normal strength. I'm going to walk you through those personally. Do not risk an arm and a leg on reds and greens. Those are normal plays. Golds and perps are the highest accuracy. These are the ones that we back up the Brinks truck on. All right. What you're going to also see is yellow lines or blue lines. These yellow line or blue lines right here, these are your better entry zones. These are the areas we want. When I count you guys into the play, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I'm buying, I'm selling, do not go heavy because we already want them to pull back to the yellow or the blue lines. We already want them to pull back. The green lines are your targets. All right, so guys,
Order
solidification. So therefore, I would count you guys in. You would enter the trade. You see the yellow lines here? Those are your better entries. Everybody go to NAS. Hit a small buy on NAS right now. Y'all see this yellow line? They pull back to this yellow line. You're going to tag it again. Risk
Order filled.
We got yellow line. There's no X. Stay in the trade, guys. Stay in the trade.
Order filled.
I already told you guys this one can go lower. All right, guys, this is market open. Those of you guys that got bottom yellow over the top, get rid of the top position so you can have the best position. Let's see what happens. Get your finger on the exit button. 14 seconds. Here it goes. Got market open. US 30's going. We're going. I'm pushing blues. I'm pushing blues. I'm pushing blues. I'm pushing blues. Let's go. We also got another play possible. 30 seconds, another play possible. If it gives us another play, stay in. Here it goes. We got a Goldie too. And it's Ultra Instinct. 23 seconds. Let's get the solidification. I'm up a bag. I got bottom positions like crazy. Give us the Ultra. Give us the Ultra. 13 seconds. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Out on tops. Out on tops. You guys are done. Done.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go. Boom. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Oh. Out on all. Done. Go break even. Let the rest ride. For those of you guys that are still in, go break even. You done. I got one last position. Done.
Order filled.
Done. I'm done. I just made $1,000. I love this game so much, guys.
Get started for free with the link in the description below.